it's your boy Gryffindor 2010 game. I'm with my boy Ahmed here. Say hi. And so it's raining in New York. Let me clean this. Guys, why is it raining? Say hi to your YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Talk to YouTube. I don't want to get my phone wet.
Hi guys.
He's my friend.
What you've been doing? So I just want to know. So leave a comment down below. So bye.
And guys, shout out to Ahmed here. Guys, shout out to Ahmed. If Ahmed is watching today's video, he gets his getting a shout out. He's next to me. Also, big shout out to Tasneem and big shout out to all of my classmates and big shout out to. Don't worry. Don't not shout out to him. Also, I'm gonna. Okay, guys, shout out to Tasneem, shout out to Kylie, shout out to Ahmed and Eric, the boys in the house, and the girls in the house. It's different. Also, if you could just put it call boys beautiful, then you have to say boys are handsome. That's because Ahmed told me that one time I said he looked beautiful, then I had to he told me that, okay, he explained to me that I said handsome. Get it? It's beautiful, so forget it. Also, it's raining. If you can tell me. That guy was like, Ahmed, you got the wood. That's dope. Also, I'm not, you know that other Fridays, like other days ago, I dropped my phone like 3 times on video. And nothing broke on this phone, because this phone is nicer. When I dropped it, it was no cracks, it's the brand new. I dropped it one time on staircase on Sneak's house, I believe. And then a second time in the third time. And somewhere else. And then I lost it somewhere in Husby's neighborhood. And when I found it. It was someone's in the ground, someone's house in the ground. Also, that's our car. That's our new car. That's my uncle's new car. That's the black one. That black one is their new car. That one is their new car. Guys, if you guys want me to do the new Tesla Model Y's review video, comment down below. Also, Ahmed.
Yeah.
Ahmed.
Yeah.
They are getting a new Tesla Model Y, but it's coming in September.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Luckily, don't. And also, guys, there's no shoutouts for Miss G, aka Big G, cause you wanna know why? She calls my uncle the car crasher, even he's not. He's a good guy. Also, big shout to Miss E, Geronimo, and Frank, and Miss G. And Miss G, thanks a lot for starting the lobster thing, cause everyone. Because did you say when I raised Tasneem, you said that this Tasneem has green lobster. Also, just stop the lobster thing. If you're watching this video, you're never getting a shout out until I give you. Because right now the classmate I had, they're getting a shout out. So, yep. I'm not what you do. Did you kick that?
Yes, I did.
Alright, I'm mad. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Hey, get home safe! I don't know, guys, I know him, but it doesn't matter. These three boys call me cute handsome. When I was walking with a man last time, I believe, he called me cute.
Nobody's talking to you. Nobody's talking to you.
Like, when I was walking with a man, these guys were also, the wind. I'm not gonna know what's gonna be able to cover. Okay, guys, bye. Bye, guys.